Got a blade on backwards. Okay, so before we get too far into this build, I want to tell you about today's sponsor, Fubo TV, which I'm really excited about because I actually used their service several years ago to watch the World Cup. Didn't have any other way to watch it other than streaming it through Fubo TV or with a cable package, which I don't have. Now, the great thing about Fubo TV is they have all the sports networks you need, which is my favorite part, but they also have a lot of great TV shows. They have The Office, which is one of my favorites. I've watched like five times in a row from start to finish. Shark Tank, so many good TV shows. They also have kid shows. If you have kids, you got to have kids TV. Fubo TV has you covered on that as well. They have over 100 of your favorite channels to choose from. They stream sports live in 4K, and if you can't watch live, you can record to their DVR cloud service and watch from your phone, tablet, smart TV, Roku, whatever you want to do, you're covered. You can sign up right now for a 7-day risk-free trial of Fubo TV and get 15% off your first month if you go to FuboTV.com/Andy Rawls. That's FuboTV.com/Andy Rawls. I just want to thank Fubo TV for being a supporter of this channel, for sponsoring this video, and for making a platform for me to watch sports on. I appreciate that. Go get your 15% off. Links in the description. Now let's get back to making these breadboard ends. sucked in some dust. You see these on a lot of tabletops from big box stores, and they are totally non-functional and done incorrectly. You see a lot of people do them incorrectly. It's a traditional joint. It's designed to allow the tabletop to float and move and capture it on the ends, and helps keep it flat, basically. So if you have like a trestle table, which is this style of base where you don't have a lot of support, the breadboard ends come in the breadboard ends come in really handy. For this, function-wise, didn't really need them. But I only had 8-foot boards that came from the supplier, so I had to grade my ends back, take cracks out, and by the time I had done that, I needed to gain the length back because I was too short. So I opted to use the breadboard ends. Plus, I think they really wanted that. They liked that style. So that's why we have breadboard ends on this. The legs are turning. I set up and designed myself, and I think that's pretty cool. We did it in a way that the bottom detail kind of matches the bench legs, which I think is a cool feature. And even the top, it's a little bit different, but you kind of have this same cove setting on the bench leg as you do to the table.